Hi, my name is Robin Gibson, founder of High Grill, and I'm here to tell you about the fixed Salamander grill, available on its own or as shown here with the freestanding stainless steel backsplash. All High Grill products are electric and use a quick heating top heat source, which is at cooking temperature within 2 minutes. Grilling like this uses a high heat for fast healthy cooking, as food is cooked on a rack and excess fat and juices can drip into the grill pan. The freestanding backsplash is designed to fit over a standard 60cm hob, which could be built in like this one here, or could be part of a slot-in freestanding cooker. It simply sits on the worktop with support legs positioned either side of the hob. The plug is fed through the hole in the backsplash and is concealed and protected from the heat of the hob. And the grill is hung onto 2 screws pre-assembled onto the grill. The grill is switched on and off by an illuminated rocker switch on the right hand side of the grill. The grill pan sits on a carrier which allows the grill pan to slide in and out easily at 2 different heights. The carrier itself can be mounted at 2 different heights on pegs at either side, giving 4 different heights in total. A small tab locks the carrier securely in place and prevents the carrier from moving. The grill pan can be moved using oven gloves or the detachable grill pan handle. The main benefit, of course, is that you're cooking at eye level, with all the convenience that brings. So there's no more bending down or worrying about burnt food out of the oven, as you can easily see everything you're cooking at the same time, thanks to the open design of the grill. The grill outer surfaces do get hot, but as long as your kitchen cupboards have been installed correctly, this should ensure that there are adequate clearances to the side and above the grill. For example, these 2 cupboards are 750mm apart, the grill is 450mm, so we have 150mm each side, or 6 inches, which is perfectly adequate. So here's the grill finally assembled onto the backsplash. All of this requires no drilling and can be retrospectively fitted in most kitchens quite easily. The grill can of course also be mounted directly onto a wall without the backsplash if required. So there you have it! The High Grill fixed Salamander with stainless steel backsplash is easy to fit, convenient to use and cooks beautifully. I hope that you found this short video useful, but please do contact us if you have any questions.